Good morning. Welcome back to Deer Corner. Glad to see you again. Go ahead, hit that arrow bottom left hand corner. Go ahead and subscribe. Help the channel out. Help me out here. But beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Got up this morning, cup of coffee. Watched the sun come up. It was gorgeous. Nice clear sky. Trees are budding. Watching a tree bud. And that's something you can't do from your living room or hotel room. It don't take a whole lot to go camping. You can take a little bit out of your refrigerator, put it in the cooler. You can get some sleeping bags and a tent. It don't have to be expensive. You don't have to spend a whole lot to go camping, to get out here in the woods. And that's something that, to me, I could see how life began by being out in the woods. Our Creator. And if you go out now, especially now, when the tree's just starting to bud out, you can actually see how life begins. Trees look like sticks, no leaves, no nothing on them, look like they're dead. And then you look up a couple hours later and they're popping. They're starting to bud out, and it looks life is beginning. So get out in the woods. Get out and do some hiking. Get out and do some camping. I'm fortunate. I know I own my land. I got a nice cabin. Still working on it. But I still sit out here on the front porch every morning and I watch the sun come up. Because I too are in nature. And when I can sit and watch the sun come up, I'm thankful I got another day. And seeing what I see, everything out here changes. Everything changes. Life begins. But if you don't get out and don't do it, you won't see it. So, yeah, go ahead and go camping. There's plenty of free sites. And if you can't find a free site, especially up here in South Carolina, go ahead and leave me a comment. I'll find you one. So, I'm glad you're with me. And just remember, turkey season's coming up in a couple weeks. I don't think I'll be able to go. My buddy's going to hunt, but I'm not going to be able to hunt. So go ahead and if you're going to go out there, you're going to be out there hunting. Hunt smart and hunt safe. And I'll see you next time.